In today's video, I will walk you through how to accept payments on Shopify. To begin, navigate to the Settings section of your Shopify admin dashboard. You can find this option in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings to open the store configuration menu. Once the Settings menu appears, look to the left-hand panel and select Payments. This is the section where you manage the payment options available in your store. After opening the Payments section, you'll see the payment methods that are currently connected to your Shopify store. Review the list of available payment providers displayed on the page. If a payment provider has already been added, it will appear in this section. You can view your existing payment methods and manage them directly from here. To add another payment option, locate and click the Add Payment Method button. This will open a list of payment providers that can be connected to your store. Browse through the available payment methods and choose the one you would like to add. Once you have selected a payment provider, click on it to continue. After selecting your preferred payment method, follow the setup prompts shown on the screen. Complete the required steps for that payment provider until the setup process is finished. When the setup is complete, return to the payment section to confirm that the payment method has been added successfully. You should now see it listed among your available payment options. If you would like to offer additional payment methods, repeat the same process. Click Add Payment Method again, choose another provider, and follow the setup instructions provided. The Payments page allows you to manage all available payment options from one location. You can review the payment methods currently connected to your store and make changes whenever necessary. To recap, open Settings from your Shopify admin dashboard, select Payments from the left-hand menu, review your existing payment providers, click Add Payment Method, choose a payment provider, and follow the setup prompts to complete the connection. Once your payment methods are configured, customers will be able to use the available payment options during checkout. If you decide to add more payment methods later, simply return to the Payments section and repeat the process. And that's all there is to it. You have now set up payment methods in Shopify and are ready to accept payments through your store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.